people are all just our average customers here at CTFO, then you would be earning over $3,000 a month. See folks, people buy our products month in and month out, so it creates residual pay. Now the neat part about this is you can actually multiply this pay with the special part of our comp plan. Here we go. CTFO helps you multiply your regenerated matrix pay like no other company, and this happens automatically by computer. You're about to learn something before most people in the world. It's not taught in school, and it's so unique we were able to get them copyrighted. It's called profit sharing positions. Wait till you see how these multiply your income. All right, let me show you what it is. When you get involved in our company, you get a U number 1. That's one of those matrices that I just showed you. It pays 21 levels deep. So when you're thinking about a U, I want you to think about this picture in your mind where you can earn that $3,000 plus from just 7 levels, okay? That's the U that you get for free. Now, when you bring in 3 people, yes, you're gonna earn 40% off of all the CV for their first month in the business, but more important than that, when you bring in a 4th person, you're still gonna earn that 40% of all the CV, but guess what? You're gonna get a U number 2. And folks, it's absolutely free. There's 2 very special things about this U number 2. The first thing is you don't have to qualify it. Whatever your U number 1 is qualified for, all of your U's will be qualified for. And number 2, when you look at this, I want you to think about this as the U number 2. It's another whole matrix that you can also earn over $3,000 a month. And folks, that's just from the top 7 levels. We're not even talking about levels 8 through 21, yet this position can be qualified for 21 more levels of pay. And then if you bring in a 5th person, you're going to get another U above them, a U number 3, which can also be qualified for 21 levels of pay. And if you bring in a 6th person, you'll get another U and a 7th and so on. Folks, this just keeps happening for an unlimited amount of people that you bring into the business. Now, the neat part about this is the way that they stack in your original matrix. Remember how I said you get started for free? That's you. And you can have 3 people on your first level. Well, let's say you have Joe, Jane, and Tim, and then you bring in a 4th person. You would think that they would go on your 2nd level, but they can't because the computer will automatically squeeze in a U number 2 for you. So Lee, in this example, would actually be on your 3rd level. Now, why is this exciting? Because Lee is on the 1st level for your U number 2. Lee is also on Joe's team, and Lee is also under your original U. So what would it look like? When Lee makes a purchase, or somebody on Lee's team makes a purchase, you're going to get paid at this U right here. Joe's going to get paid, won't even know what's going on more than likely, and you're going to get paid again here. Folks, that's double pay from each product or package sold. Now think about this. As you keep bringing people in, you can keep earning those U's for free. So if you bring in the next one, since Joe already has someone, it's going to put them under Jane, right? It's fair. It balances it out, even though there's no balancing requirement here to get paid. Now check this out. You bring in another one, it'll go under Tim. How about if you just bring in a bunch of people? They're going to build just like this. Now the reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you to see the power of this. What's better than double pay? You guessed it, how about triple pay, right? Well, think about this. If you bring in another person in this scenario, they're going to go down below your new U. That means when that person makes a purchase, or anyone on their team makes a purchase, you're going to get paid at this U right here because they're on the 1st level. Then you're going to get paid at the U above that, and then you're going to get paid at your top U. Folks, I hope you realize that's triple pay. So remember how I showed you each level could be 2%? Well, in this scenario, you would get 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is actually 6%. That's how it multiplies your pay. And remember, these U's are so unique, we were able to get them copyrighted. No other company can copy. So folks, just think about it like this. If one of these U's could earn you $3,000 plus a month, what could 2 earn you? Or what could 3 earn you? And so on. It's super exciting. Now don't worry if you don't understand all this, okay? I invented it and I was confused in the beginning, but the neat part about this is the computer does it automatically for you. Here's a serious question, folks. Since PSPs are free, how many of them would you like, right? Go earn as many as you want. All you have to do is bring people into our business for free, and every time you do after the first 3, you'll earn a new profit sharing position. You're going to love how they multiply your pay, and remember, it happens automatically. Now I'm going to share the fifth and final way you get paid here at CTFO,